birds are singing amazingly. And I just felt like, well, my spirit guides are telling me that come out in nature and tell the people to do the same. Because with this energies now, yeah, we are all transforming in a positive way, and but it can feel uncomfortable, you know, when you are changing and awakening spiritually. Yeah, it can feel kind of, but you can listen to 396 hertz frequency music, and that has helped me a lot to listen to solfeggio frequencies, for instance, and it's the goose on the water. Yeah, I should have gone down there. It's so beautiful. And the nature, you know, grounds us, and the frequency sounds you can listen to, called solfeggio scala. These are real helpful tools to relax, and there are lots of frequencies, different frequencies, but fear and worries and like overthinking, 396 can help very much for that. And it's a sound, and it's for free on YouTube or whatever. Or you can just go out in nature and sit, and it's like, you know, it's calm here. It's I would call it our true home. It feels like home to me. And I just have to show you. This is so amazing. My mother lives right up there. And right here. You know what it is? It is a Stone Age. It is a Stone Age. Where they lived in the Stone Ages. Wow, was it 7,000 years ago? Here you can see them. Yeah, but we're in Norway, so it's, yeah. And I went there and I found, I just digged a hole. I'm like, I just kind of, when I went through a lot of energies and was, because I'm very sensitive being, so just went out here and played like a little kid with my and pineal gland. Yes, you can listen to 963 hertz, and you will open your pineal gland, and I'm sorry, 852 hertz you can listen to, and that is too very good, because you come like a child, you can see it, so it's amazing now. And I'm like, yeah, where I'm gonna dig, and I dig the hole somewhere, but yeah, same where the hole was. Yeah, I just got real cold to call to duty. Duty call. I'm in service, I, I can only be myself and try to spread the truth as good as I can. So, yeah, if you deal with maybe lots of stress and traumas and such, and we've been through a lot. Humanity has been through a lot, and through the dark ages. But now it's finally over. But like, I know that everybody doesn't know this. And yeah, I have celebrated in my apartment alone, and I'm like, it's the age of light. It's the age of love. Whoa. And it's the end, but really it's the beginning of the new good earth. But I know systems can fail, but we don't need money. We need each other, and we can share, but I guess there's gonna come a new financial system. I don't know what's gonna happen. But yeah, I really want to help spreading the truth, and with these frequencies you can the birds are so happy, The birds are so happy because it's such a it's the age of light and love, and we all are. We all are light and love. Incarnated. Just unfortunately, someone don't remember that they are. I don't know, people get tricked into the ego. It's weird. Really. Yeah, but I just got to get that out. For now, I'm so sorry. No, I'm not. I am good at communicating with words. We'll get better every day in speaking my truth. And 396 hertz. It doesn't hurt. It's amazing sound. You can listen to hertz. It's like HZ. I don't know, maybe a German guy. But but yeah, all nature, at least the people who are awake and are rejoicing now, because Satya Yuga, and it's the beginning of the new. It's the beginning of heaven on earth. It is here, and yeah, what the frequencies. Yeah, it's kind of like I am a Pleiadian being from Lille Karlsvogna, and Pleiadian. Yeah, we are kind of amazing beings, I guess. All are. I know that I may appear a bit weird, but I don't care, because it's so important. to get the truth out there, and I thank God that He takes away all my fear, and even if I am afraid, I'm gonna breathe deeply and just try to remember that it's nothing to fear, because it's God in action for real time. Yeah, but I like me in nature. And I hope that you all will stop worrying, because it's only some it's not real. But I know it is kind of what am I going to say? I'm not so good. I will get better at communicating. I don't know. I just want to say that if you listen to 639 hertz also and 528 hertz, it sounds frequencies, and then you can open the chakra system and heal the chakra system, and it's been real amazing to me. There are people that are so good at this, and was it Inner Lotus music and Inner Lotus and meditation on YouTube? That's a channel I really love. And Dynasty Electric I must recommend. I don't know if it's allowed. Yes, that is allowed. Could I recommend other people's channel? Is it illegal? I don't know. But yeah, I guess. Yeah. Okay, I hope we can. I know we are going to implement those changes in psychiatry, at least, and in the health department, or what's it called? It sounds for everything, you know. It's chakra vibrations. He is real good with Tibetan bowls, Tibetan, and it's the sounds, and it makes me feel good.